How to create a Mygov account. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create Login and Delete, and in today's video I'm going to teach you on how can you create a MyGovernment account. In order to register for a Mygov account, visit my.gov.eu and click enter in your Google Chrome browser. Now here, choose to create an account, and you have the option to either use your email address or a digital identity. Select Continue with Email to set up an account using your email address. In order to use Mygov, you must agree to Mygov Terms of Use and Privacy Notice. Once you have done this, check the boxes and click Next. Enter your email address, and if your email address is already associated with another Mygov account, you may need to use a different one. Mygov assigns only one username to each email address. They will send you a code to your email address and enter the code and click on Next. If you do not have a mobile device or reception, you can skip this step. Otherwise, enter your mobile number and click Next. They will again send you a code to your mobile number, enter the code and then click on Next. Create a password and confirm it. Your password must be at least 10 characters long and include at least one letter and one number. Passwords are case sensitive. You'll be asked to choose 3 secret questions or create your own along with your answers. The answers are not case sensitive. Click Next after entering each answer. Make sure that the answers are easy for you to remember but difficult for other person to guess. Your Mygov account has been now created. They will be sending you an email with your Mygov username. Click Continue to Mygov in your email. And now you can access your account settings to set up your sign-in options and Mygov inbox notifications or link your first service. For privacy and security, always remember to sign out when you have finished using your Mygov account. And for more information, you can visit their website. This is how you can create a Mygov account. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.